great for strengthening the arches and aligning the feet. This foot exercise can have an amazing impact on foot health specifically and overall body posture and alignment in general. You'll need to be standing to get started. Let's take the feet just slightly wider than hip distance apart. Stand there for a moment and just observe your own body. How do your feet feel? How do the ankles, shins, knees and legs feel as you stand? When you're ready, we'll bend and slightly soften into the knees and pick up the toes of one foot so you're standing only on the center of the heel. Keep the knees slightly bent. Move the body weight onto the outside of the heel and align the little toe up with the outside of the heel. And then place the foot down so you're standing on the outside of the entire foot. All of the toes are lifted from the ground except for the little toe. And you can use a line on the floor if it helps. Stay here. Keep the weight over onto that outside edge of the foot. Keep the knees slightly soft and bent. And you want to stay here for about 30 to 60 seconds. As you stand, remain upright and let the rest of the body soften and stand easily. When you're done and you're ready to come back onto 2 feet, we're going to move the weight from one side back into the center, into both feet. However, as you go, keep being aware of the outside of the foot and gently let the toes come back and meet the ground. As you stand, scan, be aware, how does this foot feel in comparison to the foot that you haven't worked and in comparison to before you started? When you're ready, you can press pause, play this video again, and we'll do the exact same thing on the other side, remembering to compare how your body feels and how your feet feel at the end to how they felt at the beginning.